Check this out.
What up, everybody? Unlicensed assassin. Dun-dun-dun. Back with another one. I said my dun-dun-dun too fast. It's alright. I'll put my yay in there. Hopefully I'll get it. So, we're going to try to do the pegs. Okay, peg install. But I figured if I'm going to do it, I might as well record it. So if I mess anything up, maybe someone can help me fix it. Here we go. Wish me luck. You know I don't know what I'm doing. So, hopefully we will get it done together. I don't really know what else to say. Hopefully shit works. Uh-oh. Oh, me no like. Me no like. Me no like. Alright. Alright. We backed her off. So it's gonna stick out a little bit. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Mm-mm. Okay. I don't like that at all. I don't like that at all. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So this one's gonna sit a little crooked because of the getting any threads in there. Hmm. Damn. I don't know if I need that. But that's the only way I can get mine to fit. But I think I need this in there to stop the chain guide. I think. Yeah, see, it's still not even going in there. Shit. So, yeah, they're not gonna fit without some modification to the bracket. And then we want to make sure we catch a lot of threads, so I might need a new because I'm not getting no threads right now. None. There are no threads to catch. Sheesh. Ugh. Gonna have to take it to a shop or to my homeboy or watch a video of somebody else. Thought it would just be that easy. As easy as taking it off, sliding it on, but I guess not. Is this not catching no threads through there? because it's catching this lip right here. And even if I take this off, which I think I'm going to need it for the chain tensioner so it doesn't back itself out. Alright, so it doesn't back itself out. It doesn't fit in there. Between this gap. The fuck? Ugh. Yeah, so that stops it from going forward or backward. Locks it in place. Alright, so I'm going to have to take it to a shop so they can direct me in the right direction. Either I'm going to need a longer shank thing or whatever that's called, bolt that goes through the frame, or I'm going to have to do some modifications there. I got no threads coming out though. I don't think I'm not getting any. No action when I spin it. I can spin it like D. No problem. On. But nothing. Because it's crooked, it's hitting the bracket. There's not enough teeth for it to grab onto anything. Ugh. Alright, the video over. I tried. Alright, that's all I can do is try. All I can do is try. On. Hopefully I didn't strip it out. I just wanted to hit it a couple more times. See if it moved. Again, I tried, y'all. So, I'm about to take it to a shop or to my homeboy or somewhere and see what they think about what I can do to get these on there. Either I got the wrong ones or whatever, or I'm putting them on wrong, but the bracket right there is in the way, frame is in the way, so maybe modify these, but it's like, oh well. Again, I tried. Alrighty. think that's it. Again, I tried. Hopefully everything's alright, buttoned up, back on there. And they're good enough anyway. Chain is kind of loose, but I don't know nothing about that, so I'll let the experts have a go at it. But yeah, I figure the same thing will happen on this side with that bracket in the way, so I don't know how people got pegs on theirs, but if you can let me know. Alright, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs up. You know my motto, I can't make you do nothing, but I appreciate you when you do. Unlicensed assassin. Deuces.